Hi everybody, it's Cathryn from In the Pink Designs, and my project today is a tag box that opens like this. I'm using the tags from, this tag from the Fright Night bundle and these two dies. Okay, so the total box measures 2.5 by 4.25 by 1. The inside of the box that's under the tags or in between the tags is 1.5 by 3.5 by 1. As you saw, it opens like this, and inside I have 2 crunch bars. You could fit one of the thicker bars like a Milky Way or a Snickers or something like that. Or some loose candy would go, Kisses or something like that would be great. Alright, so we need a piece of basic black that is 7 by 6. Out of the larger of the 2 tags, the larger one, we need 1 out of basic black and 1 out of pumpkin pie. I'm using the Spooky Sweet DSP, and we need 2 pieces that are 3/4 by 3.25 and 2 pieces that are 1.25 by 3/4. Alright. We also need basic white for stamping and some embossing powder because I embossed this just so it looks shiny and nice. Alright, I'm going to get my Simply Scored, and we're going to start on the 7-inch side. Score at 3/4, 1 3/4, 5 1/4, and 6 1/4. Turn it to the 6-inch side and score at 1, 2.5, 3.5, and 5. Alright, now fold and burnish your score lines. Okay, the long side of the paper, the 7-inch side, is going to be up and down. And this is what we're going to be doing. Alright. We're going to start down here, go to the first score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the rectangle, and wedge the square. Go to the next 2 score lines and cut them to the second score line. Take off that rectangle and wedge the square. Okay, now we're going to take these 4 pieces off, and I'm going to take that score line with it. Okay, now we'll wedge this bottom rectangle too. I forgot that. Alright, and that's one side. Now flip it over to the other side. Count to the second score line, cut it to the second score line, and take this 4 off. Go to the next score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the rectangle and wedge the square, and then go to that last score line, cut it to the second score line, and take off the rectangle and wedge the square. Okay, and we're going to wedge this rectangle right here. Alright, and then finally we're going to round the corners of this side flat. Alright, and that's what your cardstock should look like when you're done. Okay, and I'm going to use liquid glue. We'll start on this set of tags. And we're going to take the score line on the tab and meet it with the side of this inner rectangle. Okay, now the other set. To the same rectangle, just the other side. Okay, and that is your box for the inside. All right, now we're only putting DSP on the sides. So these are the long sides and these are the short sides. Okay, now let's work on our tag. We're gonna need some basic white, some Versamark ink, and some black embossing powder, and a piece of scrap. Alright, so we're going to take our tag and put the Versamark ink on it. And stamp it. And then sprinkle our black embossing powder. Tap that off. And then we're going to put it back in the bottle. Alright, now I'm going to heat this up with my heat tool and cut it out with the inner label die. I'm going to attach it to the pumpkin pie label. Now we need our box. Make sure you have the right side. This one is going to go on the top. So I'm going to put glue on the top of my box. And we're going to get it between here and here and here and there. All right. So I'm just going to put it on. And then flip it over and make sure that it's even. Okay, and then flip it over, put some glue on the bottom, and put the bottom tag in the same spot as the top. Okay, we're good. Then we can just tuck our flap in. Okay, now we need some of the Timid Tiger faux linen ribbon, excuse me, and tie a bow. Okay, and then I'm going to put a glue dot and some liquid glue on the back of the bow. Okay, we're going to put it right on the top, like that. And for the final touch, I'm going to use some of the 25 to 27 in color flat pearls in the Timid Tiger. And I'm just going to use the medium and small ones. And I'm going to put a medium down there, a large one over there, and another medium right up there. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, all of my info is below. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye.